nature. For some, it offers a quiet escape from the busyness and doldrums of the everyday. But Honda knows that for many of their customers, it's a playground brimming with endless opportunities of excitement and exploration. But nature pursues no one. It is us who must go. So we chase and we search, and finally, we make it. And genuine Honda accessories are made specifically to help get you out there. But there's more to the story. Which is why I've come to this quaint little town of Seymour, Connecticut, headquarters of Thule. They've teamed up with Honda to make the perfect accessories to support all your adventures.
Hey, I'm Chris.
Hi, Bradley.
Welcome to Thule.
Thanks for having me.
Come on in.
Thule's been partnering with Honda for more than a decade. You guys have won a lot of awards. Obviously, you see a lot of Thule products on Honda vehicles. How does that partnership work?
It's a nice relationship because Honda's a trusted brand, and for the folks that live an active lifestyle, Thule's a trusted brand as well. So when we create a rack alongside Honda, they have that expertise and that focus on the perfect fit to the vehicle. And that partnership with Honda has been really great because the two brands have come together to make it as easy for the Honda consumer as possible to live that active lifestyle. So by making the accessories available in the dealerships themselves, someone can come in and purchase a vehicle and get the accessories mounted right then and there.
Now, this is a new facility that you guys have set up because your company is growing.
Yeah, we're always evolving. We're improving the way we fabricate products, and that's where we brought in this facility here to take that to the next level.
So what are all these pieces?
So these are all pieces of steel that are for specific types of bike racks. This will come as one long piece of steel, and then it will be cut into pieces and then stamped for its appropriate application. As you can see on both sides, we have different sizes, different shapes, different applications for different types of carriers. So these are our 3D printers. This gives us the opportunity, just like at Honda, to take a concept and within a day have an actual physical product. Product development can rapidly prototype something that would eventually become a finished product for the consumer. Here we have our robotic welder, and by bringing some of these automated machines in here, we can ensure that it's a perfect fit every single time. We can obviously jump on demand if we need to, and we can move very quickly, but still maintain that very high level of quality as well. These are all of our spare parts for our racks and accessories, and we use these wooden, they're called knockdown crates. It takes the place of using single-use plastic and single-use cardboard to store our products. Like Honda, we have a really strong focus on the sustainability of our products and also the environmentally friendly practices that we use to get the products to the consumer. So here in the Thule Test Center, we're not only testing the product's safety and security, but also the product's durability and longevity of the products. So similar to how Honda is known for having, durable, long-lasting vehicles, a lot of our products are known for having the same lifespan.
I see these really cool machines. There's lots of people working, hammering, hitting. I would work here, but what is this thing?
So this is our manufacturing and assembly portion of the facility. This is really the bones of the building and our product. Thule's known for having quality, extremely tested products, but at the end of the day, we want to make it as easy for the consumer as possible. So when we are packaging our products, we want to make it easy to install, easy to use, less time putting it together and more time enjoying the activity itself.
Doing it, right? Yeah. Chris, thanks so much, man.
Yeah, happy to, Bradley.
This was an awesome chance to get a behind-the-scenes look at how this special Honda and Thule collaboration really works, making those accessories for the weekend adventurer. And remember, you can get these products as Honda genuine accessories at your dealership and have them installed by a trained Honda technician. So come on, what are you waiting for? It's time to hit the road. I'm driving.